Back in July, I introduced you to a young man who is not even in kindergarten yet, but he knew a lot about the presidents of the United States. And tonight, he is back with a new area of knowledge. Please welcome 5-year-old whiz kid Arden Hayes. Hello, Arden. How you doing? Good. Very good to see you.
Yeah, and I met Al Gore.
You met Al Gore?
Yeah, you did too.
When did you meet Al Gore?
On the night Al Gore was on.
Oh, you met him here at the show the night he was on. Well, what 5-year-old wouldn't want to meet Al Gore?
Right, he's the vice president of the United States.
Yeah, I know he was. Were you excited to meet him?
Yeah, really excited.
Did you talk to him?
Yeah, I did, but no other 5-year-old kid would like to.
No, yeah, you're right. You're right. I was just kidding when I said that. Did he sign anything for you?
Energy book, of course.
He signed an energy book for you?
Yeah.
Have you read that book?
Yeah, I have.
You have read it. Did you like it?
Yeah, it has my favorite part is the wind turbines on the front.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there's some wind turbines.
You like wind turbines? Well, maybe next time you're here, we will talk about wind turbines.
Yeah.
That wasn't a joke, Arden. That was, since you were here last, you've become very interested in geography, right?
Yeah, right. That's why we have them, man.
That's why we have maps on the wall, so you know every country in the world.
And that does not have South Sudan on it.
That what?
That does not have South Sudan on it.
It's missing a country?
Yeah.
Where should it be? That should be South Sudan?
No, the blue country, broke up into a southern half called South Sudan.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't know. You know what? I'm gonna make sure someone gets fired over that.
Yeah, because the country broke up into two countries.
I know, it's ridiculous. You'd think everyone would know that.
Yeah,
I mean,
but no one does.
But no one does, except for you. Right. You know a lot of this stuff, and so I'm gonna quiz you, and I want to start with an easy question. How many countries are there?
196.
That's exactly right. Well, we're gonna show you some countries, and I would like to ask you to identify that country and then name its capital, okay?
Yeah.
Now, again, he doesn't know. We're not run any of this stuff by him. So let's go to the first one. And there's the globe, the world spinning.
Paraguay.
Paraguay?
Yeah.
Let me see. Yes, that is right, Paraguay. And what is the capital of Paraguay?
Asunción.
Asunción, that is correct. You're absolutely right. All right.
And it's okay if you get any pronunciations wrong.
You said I pronounced it wrong?
No, I mean if you get any pronunciations
Oh, it's
wrong.
Okay?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, because then I would Conakry is actually Guinea, but some people think it's Conakry.
Oh, I know. I've had fights with people over that. Let's look at another one and see if we can identify this country.
Yemen.
That is Yemen. Yeah, that is exactly right. How do you know it so fast? What is the capital of Yemen?
Sana'a.
Sana'a is absolutely right. All right. How about if I give you a capital and you tell me the country? Okay?
Yeah.
Riga.
Latvia.
That is right. All right. How about Funky Town?
Oh, that's a joke.
Oh, that's a joke one. Yeah, that is right. All right. This is a tricky one. Let's go to.
Okay, this won't be a tricky one.
This.
It broke up into 7 countries.
Yes. What country was it originally?
Yugoslavia.
And now what countries is Yugoslavia?
Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Serbia, Kosovo, Montenegro, and Macedonia. Sometimes I get confused with Kosovo and Montenegro.
Wow. One more map, and do you know what these 7 countries have in common?
They both end with stan.
They all end with stan, that is right. What countries are they?
Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, yeah.
Unbelievable, that is exactly right. You got...
Afghanistan, Pakistan. Hey, it appeared before I said Pakistan.
See that? Astonishing.